In this video, you'll learn how to charge other phones using the Pixel 9a. This guide will walk you through the steps required to enable and use the battery share feature effectively. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your home screen. Tap on the icon to open it, which will direct you to the main settings menu. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Battery and select it to access power-related features. Once within the battery settings, look for the option called Battery Share or Reverse Charging. This feature is specifically designed to allow your Pixel 9a to charge other devices wirelessly. Before proceeding, ensure that your Pixel has sufficient battery life available. A minimum of 20% is recommended for effective charging to take place. Next, toggle on the battery share option to activate the feature. You should see a confirmation that the setting has been enabled. After that, take the other phone you wish to charge and place it on the back of your Pixel device. It is important to align both devices properly to initiate the charging process properly. As the devices make contact, you may observe a charging indicator appear on the screen of the other phone. This visual confirmation indicates the power transfer has begun. Ensure both devices remain in contact throughout the charging duration to maintain the connection and facilitate efficient charging. During the charging process, monitor the battery levels on both devices. You will notice that the battery percentage on your Pixel 9 decreases as it provides power to the other phone. Once you feel the charging is complete, it is advisable to turn off the battery share feature. You can easily do this by returning to the same settings menu and toggling off the option. Finally, remove the other device once charging is finished. This feature is particularly useful in emergency situations when you need to assist another phone. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.